Today, I'm going to show you a way to get consistent characters or avatars in MidJourney. There's a number of reasons for this. It could be for advertising campaigns, staying on brand, getting consistency, or just general storytelling. If you find this content useful, like and subscribe to the channel as we go on some more adventures. Stay tuned. Right, so if you haven't already opened up MidJourney, go into MidJourney and have a look around, see what other pictures people have created. Always good fun. First things first, let's open up the Discord server. So click on your ellipses and go to Discord, or if you've already got it open, click it over here. Right, so I've got my own Discord server running. If you'd like to get a tutorial on that, you'd find that in the link in the description as well. So what we're here to do today is going to create a character with multiple poses that looks identical and ultimately help us stay on brand and consistent. So you can go to the MidJourney documentation. This will give you a demonstration of how to use seeds and how accurate the seeding is. You can have a look down over here for some examples, but I'm going to walk you through this. Right, so let's go back to Discord, and first things first, we're going to type in our prompt. So we're going to go in /imagine and pop in our prompt. So have a think about a type of character that you would like to create. I'm going to do a meerkat because I quite like meerkat, so paste that in over there and hit enter. It'll now obviously pass the information to the engine and should come back with an answer. All right, great. So it's come up with a meerkat, and you can have a look at any of these images over here and see which one you quite like. Right, I quite like number 4. So let's upscale that one. And it will copy and create a upscaled image of this character. All right, what we need to do now is get the seed for this particular character. So 2 ways you can do that. You can right click and say apps, DM results, or you can click on the add reaction and click on the envelope. If it doesn't show over here, just type in :envelope and select the envelope. All right, so what it'll do now is it will email a message to your MidJourney bot. So on the top left over here, click on that and you will see the meerkat, and here is the seed that you would like to grab. So grab the seed, copy it, go back to your original image, and what you can do now is type in /imagine, and then what I like to do is just paste the seed in right now. So minus seed and paste the recently developed or recently retrieved seed. And what we can do now is copy the original prompt. All right, and let's make him read a book. Let's go reading a book. Right, so our meerkat is now sitting down reading a book, and as you can see here, he's not wearing any glasses. So let's take this image on the bottom right over here, and it is pretty close to what our original looked like. So again, pretty good. All right, so let's add a further pose, reading a book to his meerkat children. And again, remember to keep the seed in and hit the enter key to see what it comes out to. So as you can see, a number of good identical images as close as possible to the original seed. There may be some variations. You may want to have the meerkat with reading glasses on, just to depict a bit more attention on the activity that the character is doing. I know there's a couple of other tutorials out there where they ask you to copy the images and paste the URLs. I found that didn't leave me with much success. I found this option and this method way better. So what we can see over here is the meerkat is now reading to his kids, and I think this one on the bottom right looks about right. So again, it's just choosing the image, choosing the character pose, and what you would like to see out of it. If you found this video helpful or useful, please like and subscribe. More great content on the way. Thank you.